Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp. So, let's dive right in. Meta AI is an AI assistant built right into WhatsApp, letting you chat, ask questions, and even generate images. Intrigued? Let's jump in and see how to use it. First, make sure you installed the updated version of the WhatsApp on your mobile device. Then, open the WhatsApp app and look for a new colored circle icon, usually purple-blue, at the top of your WhatsApp chat list. This is the shortcut to the dedicated Meta AI chat. You can also use Meta AI directly in your existing chats. Simply type I followed by Meta AI in the chat window, and then type your question or prompt. Then, simply tap on the send button, and Meta AI will quickly respond to your prompt. Now let's explore all the features of the Meta AI, and here's what you can do. Ask questions. Just like a regular chat assistant, you can ask Meta AI anything from general knowledge to fun facts. And Meta AI will provide you with a bunch of information about your question. Recommendations. If you stuck on what movie to watch or where to eat, you can ask Meta AI for suggestions, and Meta AI will blow you your mind by suggesting the best recommendations for your interest. Generate images. This is a cool feature. Use the prompt, imagine, followed by your description, and Meta AI will create an image based on your words. Meta AI have a deep understanding to judge to your prompt and design image according to your imagination. So that's it. Now you know how to chat with Meta AI. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments below what you think about Meta AI.